Built-in AI feature in Power BI. Select a bar chart. Drag the order date into the y-axis. Select only year and quarter. Now drag the sales in x-axis. Now we see a decrease in sales in 2017 as compared to 2016. Let's right click on 2017 bar and analyze, explain the decrease. A window with in-depth analysis pops up. So there was a total of 2.83% decrease in sum of sales. Now, usually the charts are waterfall charts. You can even change the chart type here. And if you're happy with any of these charts, you can just click on this plus button to add the chart. Follow more